Hey everyone, I'm Richard from Zappos.com, and this is the laptop Two Gusset Brief from Samsonite. Let's check it out. Now this is made out of an incredibly sturdy nylon material with leather trim throughout for a little bit of an accented look. Fantastic style. Got your carrying handles here on top, so you can just pick it on up and go. However, you also got your shoulder strap here. Lots of padding on that guy, so it'll be comfortable to carry on your shoulder. Here on the back of the bag, we have this little strap with a hook and loop patch right there in the middle. So that way, if you're traveling, you can slide this over the handlebar of your luggage so you can make it through those airports easily. Now here on the front of the bag, we're gonna have some amazing storage with a little pocket up there in the front for your grab and go items. This front one here is lined with a super soft material, so it's perfect for those electronics that you want to keep safe. Another pocket behind that with additional storage. And then we're gonna make our way to those main compartments. This one here opens up almost accordion style. Lots of space in there, amazing organization with this guy behind all of that. Now this one here is gonna offer even more storage with a nice padded sleeve in the back. Tons of cushioning on it, so keep your electronics safe, and it will accommodate up to a 15.6 inch laptop. This bag is fantastic, so you don't wanna miss out on it. Add it to your cart today from Samsonite.